The ever-popular French herringbone pattern is quick and easy to install, though it requires precision. Today we will show you how to start from the wall. Before starting the work, check the subfloor. Open the packages carefully so as not to damage the flooring. And then check the individual planks. If you have any doubts about a plank, set it aside. Make sure you have a release pin for the 5G locks. Start laying the planks so that they click together along their long sides. Pay close attention to ensure they are laid evenly. Remember the expansion gap. Once you have carefully laid the first row of planks from the wall, start clicking the next planks into place on the short side, making sure each one fits securely. Remember that the 5G locks on the short side are clicked from above with minimal force. Precision is key here. If something does not click, adjust it and try again. If, however, the tips did not turn out perfectly as we see here, we can use the pin. Carefully slide the pin along the short side directly into the lock, and then gently lift the plank. This way we can release the planks from both one side and the other. To fill the space from the wall, let's lay 3 rows. Next, let's carefully make a light cut right along the last plank. With the cut made, we can now disconnect the floor. Each of the planks should be snapped along the cut. Before we start reinstalling the floor by the wall, snap off the end of the lock. Once that's done, simply install the floor. Repeat the process until the floor is fully laid. Nomad Flo, confident with every step.